I'm back! Part 2 of the video. Okay, so when we're doing word problems, at first we want to look at the question, what's asking of us, so we know what to do. Okay, so what are we looking for? Because there's no point of doing a word problem if we don't know what to look for. Then we're just, it's like a get lost word problem. Because you're gonna get lost in it if you don't look for the question. Okay, so when you're looking for something, you always look at where the question mark is, because that's what you're looking for. It's a question. It's like they ask you a question and you got to do it, right? Right? Okay, let's get back to the program, to the problem. Okay, how many people went to the snack shop on Saturday and Sunday? Okay, and you see right there is a question mark, right there. You see my eyeball's pointing? Take a look at my eyeball. Right there. That's a clue. That tells you what you need to do, what you need to look for. So we need to look for. It's always a good idea to keep looking at the question again, so you don't forget. So how many more people went to the snack shop on Saturday and then on Sunday? Right? So there's not as much people, and on Sunday you were able to kind of squeeze through the people, like that. Whereas on Saturday it was absolutely crowded. But how much more crowded was it? Okay, so we set up subtraction. Okay, so we write the question down. Okay. All right, now what piece of information are we looking for? Over here it says on Saturday, 770 people went to the snack shop. So that's a piece of information. So I'm going to go ahead and start writing that down on my whiteboard. Let me get my marker. Where is it? Here it is. Okay, so make sure you write the question down. That's 700 people on Saturday. So let's write that down. We'll just write sat because it's a long word and I don't want the video to go too long because TurtleTube is going to take too long. Okay, and so then the other piece of information. Remember, when you're looking for a piece of information, you always got to look for the numbers. Okay. How many eyeballs do I have? That was a random question, sorry. I have 2. Huh? Huh. Okay, and then 628 are on Sunday. Okay, so how much more are on Saturday than Sunday? That's what we have to find out. 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 How many times did I say we have to find out? Or were you paying attention? Or were you sleeping? Nah. I said 5 times. Good job paying attention. Okay, so we said we have to subtract. So that's how we're going to solve the problem, is by subtracting. Okay? So we'll do a part 3 and I will solve it. But you are always free to try to do it on your own and solve it. So before you go to watch part 3, try to solve it on your own. Try to subtract it. And then see if you can get the answer I get. I will see you in part 3. Hopefully, you will come for part 3. Too close.